Please continue to heed remaining road closures.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
For the following county, District of Columbia and Montgomery, Maryland, and the following counties in Virginia, Arlington, and Fairfax. Flood warning in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Replaces flash flood warning. The flooding area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring. The areas affected include portions of D.C., including the following: District of Columbia, Central Maryland, including the following counties: Montgomery and Northern Virginia, including the following counties: Arlington and Fairfax. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 10 p.m. Impacts: numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. It will take several hours for all the water from these storms to work through local drainage systems in urban areas. Additional details: at 8:29 p.m., emergency management are flooding in the warned area. Between 2.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Arlington, Bethesda, Vienna, Unifield, McLean, American Legion Bridge, Tyson's Corner, Tacoma Park, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, Chevy Falls, Chevy Chase, Northern Additions, North Chevy Chase, Friendship Village, American University, Georgetown, Adams Morgan. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Flash flood warning for South